the Sibelius Park. And this is the famous Sibelius Monument. The Sibelius is the famous Finnish musician. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Hello. Where are we? Look at this. This is Helsinki Cathedral. This is the biggest landmark in the city. Hello everyone. Where are we? We are at the Helsinki Observatory. What is this? When it was formed? This is for people to know that this is and that is Moon. Moon moves around Earth every day and night. Oh.
Hello everyone. We are in this place that we are exploring today. And our first activity here is having this box right here, you see? And we go around to find insects and then we put them in this little box. And then our next activity is going around to find some leaves. And once we find the leaves, we make it our craft work by gluing them on this paper and then drawing whatever we want, which is related to insects or anything.
See you next time.
Alright, see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Hello, where are we?
We are in Finland, Somalia.
What can we see?
We can see ships, cannons, and even submarines.
Finland!
Hello everyone.
We are on the first ship to Estonia.
See you later.
We in the OD Central Library. What do we just do? We read the book, play the game, and see our AI robot.
Where are we?
We are in the Sea Life Museum now.
What do you see?
We see octopus and shark. They're very big.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
This is a huge dinosaur bone. What are the bears doing?
They are catching the salmon fish for food to eat.